Hi guys, welcome to the future of automotive excellence. A car that encapsulates power, style, and innovation. Presenting the 2024 Porsche 911 ST, a dream car in action. The new Porsche 911 ST can be ordered for €292,187, including VAT. The Heritage Design Package costs €17,505, including VAT. The Chronograph 1-911 ST is available for €11,950. As your eyes trace its elegant curves, you can't help but feel the anticipation building. This is a car that demands attention. Slide into the driver's seat and let your senses surround you. From the premium materials to the cutting-edge technology, this is a cockpit designed for the ultimate driving experience. But it's when you turn that key and unleash its power that the true magic begins. The 2024 Porsche 911 ST is a symphony of raw performance, precision, and control. Under the hood, a masterpiece has been created. The heart of this machine beats with the power of an unrivaled engine, ready to propel you beyond your limits. Porsche engineers developed a new lightweight clutch exclusively for the 911 ST. In conjunction with a single-mass flywheel, it reduces the weight of the rotating mass by 10.5 kilograms. This noticeably improves the responsiveness of the naturally aspirated boxer engine, which now builds revs with especially bracing speed and directness. Coupled with a 6-speed manual transmission with a shorter gear ratio than on the 911 GT3, the high-revving engine in the 911 ST delivers even more immediacy in its dynamics. It propels the 911 ST to 100 km per hour in just 3.7 seconds. It achieves a top speed of 300 km per hour. The exhilarating driving experience is heightened by the compelling soundscape of the standard lightweight sports exhaust system. The 911 ST is the only 911 of the current generation to combine a double wishbone front axle design with a multi-link rear axle without rear axle steering. The dampers and control systems were tuned accordingly. The track becomes your playground as you effortlessly navigate every curve, every turn. This is driving at its purest form, and the 2024 Porsche 911 ST is the embodiment of automotive perfection. Whether it's the racetrack or the open road, this car will take you on unforgettable journeys. Feel the adrenaline rushing through your veins as you conquer new terrains, push your boundaries, and experience true freedom. The future is here, and it's in the form of the 2024 Porsche 911 ST. A dream car in action, it promises to redefine your driving experience. Thanks for watching this video unveiling the future. Don't miss out on more exciting content like this. Subscribe to our channel today.